In this video, I will show you how to enter Roblox star code. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to go ahead and enter a star code, what you're going to want to do is, of course, come across to roblox.com and log in to your account. Now, once you've done that, you want to come up to the top and click onto Robux. Then what you want to do is choose a value of Robux that you want to purchase from here. So it can be any number. In this example, we're going to select 1000 Robux. Now, when you actually do this, you're going to be taken to the payment screen where you can enter your payment details. If you actually look underneath the balance due, you're going to see the option here to add a star code. So what you want to do is give that a click. You can go ahead and actually enter your star code in here and then click the add button to enter your star code. So a star code, basically what it does, it supports your favorite video star and they actually earn 5% of your purchase. Now, this isn't taken out of the Robux that you pay for. You do get the full amount of Robux, but by entering a star code, they actually earn 5% of your purchase. So in this example, if it was £9.99, then they would receive 5% of that value. So that is how to enter star code in Roblox. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.